Stop stressing. Why do you still use the drag and drop method to replace your images? I will show you how to do it the easiest and fastest way in Affinity. Welcome to Affinity. This is a fake website design I did, and I want to use this one to explain to you how to replace your images in Affinity the easiest way. I have these 3 images here, and then I want to change all of them. Okay, so the first thing to do is to select any of them. I want to go with this one, Mohamed Salah. I want to replace this image. I've already clip maxed the image into the shape, so what I'll do is to turn this arrow down, and then you can see the image here. Okay, check up here, you can see we have replace. So I click on it, and then I select the image I want to replace it with. So let's go with this one. So you can see automatically it replaces the image for you. Let me change this one. So the same procedure, and then replace. So this is basically how to easily and quickly replace your images in Affinity to speed up your workflow. If you found this video helpful, I want you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.